Hey, crypto family, welcome back to another video where I'm bringing those daily crypto news reports. Today's article comes from Z Crypto and looks like over $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin leaves exchanges as accumulation wars intensify. So, yep, people who understand cryptocurrencies know to not keep their money on the exchanges. So that's why they use it as a tool and they will move it. So all these wealthy people have non-custodial wallets, or another word, a hardware wallet, to be in full control of their cryptos. So yeah, let's go over this article. Bitcoin continued to trade narrowly on Wednesday after a 9-week extended sell-off. As of writing, the top crypto asset was selling for $30,210, up 1.14% in the past 24 hours. Bitcoin's choppiness has also been mirrored in other cryptocurrencies, with Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Sol, among others, getting stuck in a price squeeze. Cardano's ADA has, however, been the biggest gainer in the top cryptos and has gained 10.23% in the past 24 hours to trade at 64 cents. Overall, most cryptocurrencies reflected strength, with the global crypto market cap reclaiming the $1.24 trillion market cap threshold after a 2.31% increase over the last day. That said, all eyes are now on Bitcoin as investors wait to see whether the price will break the 4-week range spell following a string of positive technical and fundamental developments. Technically, BTC's price continued squeeze has printed a bullish reversal ascending triangle pattern, which, if validated, could see the price pushed up to $38,000. However, it has to breach overhead trendline resistance as well as the 32,400 barrier. A worse sell-off would thus unfold if the price breaks below the triangle currently in the trending support. So here's that line right now. But according to data from Sentiment, over 50,000 Bitcoin have been withdrawn from cryptocurrency exchanges over the past week. As the price continues to hover around $30,000, interestingly, mega whale addresses have been accumulating along this area at the unprecedented rate. This week, these whales tapped their highest supply of BTC in a year, which, as a Sentiment said, could be a promising sign. Moreover, Bitcoin holders, or hodlers, also appear to be doubling down, the wallet growth for investors holding below 100 BTC growing significantly in the past month. Furthermore, despite Bitcoin miners being some of the biggest net distributors since the recent sell-off, with their balances declining at a peak rate of 5,000 to 8,000 BTC per month, their spending has slowed down in the past 10 or so days. The 3.3 thousand Bitcoin, this slowdown in appetite to sell has partially been caused by a substantial decline in the miners' revenue. As profit multiples compress across the board and financial stress increases, the highest probability is that the market is within the second and historical final capitalization phase of a Bitcoin bear market. Glassnode wrote on Monday, generally Bitcoin sentiment is still relatively negative among investors, with the BTC Fear and Greed Index signaling extreme fear. However, this can sometimes be a recipe for unexpected swings to the upside, especially with the current recipe for high leverage ratios plus over average funding rate, according to Sandmint. So yeah, so people are still accumulating. We're in that little range right now. This is like a kind of a price analysis of Bitcoin. Where could it go? Yeah, so like based on the chart, it can go to 38,000, or it can still go low. It's like they still, like Sentiment and all these other organizations, still believe like this is our last little like bear market run. So like Bitcoin still could hit 20,000, could hit 24,000, or we could push the trend line and go up to 38,000. We don't know which way it's going to go. I still feel like it can be one more dip, but again, just get it now. Don't wait and try to get that perfect deal. Just just accumulate as much Bitcoin as you can consistently. Like every single week, put in however much you can put in. Like every Friday, make it Friday an occasional thing, and that's your new savings account. But yeah, so that's that Bitcoin news and how 1.5 billion leaves the exchanges because people want to hold on to their cryptos. If you need to know how to, get a Trezor wallet, get a Ledger, download the Exodus wallet, download the Divi wallet. Like each one of those is a way for you to hold onto your cryptos personally. So I hope you guys like this article. If so, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a beat. And until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.